Our planet stands at a critical juncture. With climate change becoming a global emergency, it's time for immediate and decisive action from governments, businesses, and individuals.
تفرض هذه الظاهرة الخطيرة على المجتمع الدولي التعاون ومضاعفة الجهود لمواجهتها والحد من تداعياتها.
Amidst this urgent call to action, GORD, established at Qatar Science and Technology Park, is advancing sustainability across various sectors through comprehensive climate solutions offered by its centers of excellence and independent affiliates.
تولي دولة قطر اهتمام كبير في قضايا تعزيز الاستدامة البيئية والعمل من أجل المناخ، من أجل تحفيز الاقتصاد الأخضر أو الاقتصاد منخفض الكربون على كافة المستويات. نحن في المنظمة الخليجية للبحث والتطوير GORD لدينا العديد من المبادرات في مجالات مختلفة، سواء في مجال البحث والتطوير، في مجال تعزيز الاقتصاد الأخضر في البنية التحتية والنشاط العمراني، أيضاً تعزيز الاقتصاد الأخضر من خلال أسواق الكربون الطوعية، بالإضافة إلى الدعم والتدريب والتعليم اللي يساهم في تحقيق هذه الأهداف على المدى البعيد.
GORD's affiliate, the Global Carbon Council, GCC, is the first carbon credit program based in the Global South, which is internationally accredited by the United Nations International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO, and the International Carbon Reduction and Offsetting Alliance, ICROA. GCC has received submissions of more than 1,500 mitigation and nature-positive projects representing 45-plus countries. GCC's projects are expected to reduce more than 2 billion tons of greenhouse gas emissions by 2032. GORD's Climate Action Center of Excellence, CASE, was launched during COP28 in Dubai. CASE is aimed at activating Article 6 of the Paris Agreement to enhance the ambition of governments and the private sector to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. CASE's solutions include capacity building, advocacy, and Article 6 readiness, and innovative climate finance solutions. The Global Sustainability Assessment System, GSAS, is a program for assessing and rating the sustainability of buildings and infrastructure. GSAS has become the fastest-growing green building system in the Gulf region, with more than 2,500 registered projects covering a built-up area exceeding 2 billion square feet. GORD Institute is an RDI hub aimed at advancing decarbonization endeavors by developing sustainable and low-carbon solutions for the built environment, including patented technologies for the utilization of waste streams to manufacture eco-friendly cement types. Among GORD's innovations is the award-winning Synergia 9N1, a patented ultra-efficient multimodal cooling system designed to cool and ventilate open and enclosed spaces with lower carbon footprint. Among the Institute's key offerings is product eco-labeling under the International Green Mark, IGM. GORD is partnering with UN SDGs for its South-South and Triangular Cooperation Solutions Lab initiative, where GORD Institute will provide a platform for young researchers to develop and refine their research projects that address critical sustainability challenges. GORD 3D advances knowledge on additive manufacturing and provides 3D printing services encompassing functional metal spare parts, composites, and polymers printing. Its state-of-the-art facility is equipped with 9 distinct 3D printing and prototyping technologies supported by cutting-edge equipment. The center also provides reverse engineering, 3D scanning, and digital inventory services to various sectors. GORD Academy fosters knowledge dissemination and capacity building through certified training programs. The Academy has successfully trained more than 10,000 professionals through 250-plus workshops. GORD Advisory provides solutions to address climate change. It helps organizations meet their climate goals through decarbonization and mitigation efforts. experts at GORD Advisory developed the Sustainability and Carbon Neutrality Strategy for the FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022 and the International Horticultural Expo 2023 Doha. Joining the Global Alliance to fast-track sustainable development, GORD is collaborating with international agencies and regional entities. Together, let's accelerate the transition to a greener, low-carbon future for generations to come.